name is Payal Kunaki and I'm here to do a demonstration on Khamba composting. Khamba composting is an effective way of treating our day-to-day organic kitchen waste and helps us in disposing this waste instead of sending it to the landfills. This is an environmentally very effective and a clean process, and it can be used very safely for our own plants. I'm going to explain to you the components that we use in Khamba composting and the process. So it's very simple. All we require is 3 pots. Each of these pots has cost me 100 rupees each. So if you look at these 3 pots, there are holes present in two of these pots at the bottom of these pots. Other than that, I have manure, which is cow dung essentially, which is abundantly available in our country. And the last is sawdust. Sawdust is very useful in moisture regulation, which takes place in this Khamba composting. And last but not the least is organic wet waste from my kitchen. This includes used tea leaves, fruits, and any other kitchen waste that gets generated every day in our house. The process is very simple. As you see, I have a stand. I'm going to essentially stack these pots one above the other. This is what I'm doing. So this is how it's going to look like eventually. How we begin is taking this wet waste from my kitchen and putting it all in this first pot. Once this is done, I'm going to add a little bit of manure in it. And last, I use this sawdust as a top layer coating of this thing. Like I said, sawdust is for moisture regulation, which is a complaint that many people would face. But if you put sawdust in the right amounts, it would not lead to any moisture, thereby it would not attract any unwanted pests. Once this is done, I'm going to place this on the second pot and I'm going to shut this. This happens on a day-to-day basis. Every day you will fill up this first pot till the brim. Each time you put in the waste weight, you will also put a little bit of sawdust just so that the moisture is controlled. Once the first pot is completely filled up, you will take it and place it in place of the second pot and place this pot above it and repeat the process using this pot. By the time this pot has completely filled to the brim, you would have ready-made compost in this pot. You can remove the compost and repeat the process. The third pot doesn't have any holes at the bottom. This is used for collection of any of the leachate which passes from the first pot and into the second pot into the third pot. At the end of the first pot, once it's full, you will find whatever leachate has accumulated in the third pot is also very rich in nutrients that are required for plants. You can use even that as a compost. Just to explain to you how the final compost would look like, it would look something like this. This can be safely put as manure for our plants, indoor plants, and is an effective way of making sure that our plants, the plants that we grow at home, don't use any chemical pesticides and fertilizers, and we're also taking care of our own kitchen waste. You can also decorate this Khamba pot using regular acrylic paints that you get at home so that it could look like any other showpiece in the house. Thank you for watching.